Hey guys, I'm on the Maryland of the Seas and I'm fixing to take you on a video walking tour of the sports court. And I'm going to show you what all's back here, and I'm going to walk through the lower level, then I'm going to go up on the top and look down so you can see all of it. Take a look. Sports court, deck 13, flow rider, perfect storm, sky pad, sky climber, the wall, and the basketball court. There's the sky pad up there. I'll climb up there in a minute. We'll take a look. Here's the sports court, and I'll try to actually get some video with people in it. You notice they got a pickleball net in here, so I'm assuming they play pickleball here. Well, let's take and walk on around. Walk over here to rail and show you Cozumel. See the pretty blue water. Let's walk on around. I've seen that big yellow ball when I was on other ships and never really knew what it was. It's called the sky pad. We'll go up there in a minute. They got plenty of chairs out here for people to sit in. I bet kids have fun in that thing. Got a couple of hammocks back here if you want to lay down. Here's the flow rider. I'm going to walk over and look at the end. I'll try to get a shot or two with people on it, and I'll go up top and get some with it down. We've got a few more ships in port today, like the Dream, the Jubilee, and I believe that's the Independence of the Seas. Here's the water slide. There's where you climb to go in it. Alright, let's head up there and go up the sky pad. Just wondered what that big ball was up there. We're fixing to climb these stairs, and we're going to go up there and see what they are. Call it sky pad. Let's head up the stairs. Hell, look like there's just some cornhole boards in here. Not sure if they do anything else in here or not. Look up top. See some lights and stuff, so I don't know if they light it up at night or what. Walk around the outside. Well, there's looking down into the basketball court. Straight across, there's the rock climbing wall.
Looks like right down there, looks like they got ping pong. Yeah, there's the water slide. Around the other side's the stairs to get on it. We'll walk back through the big ball. Look over here. There's something for kids to climb in. I'm sure they enjoy that. A couple of hammocks. Let's walk back here and see if we can see the flow rider. I'm waiting on somebody to get on. There's the stairs that goes up to the water slide. There we go. There's somebody boogie boarding on the flow rider. Guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of the sports court here on the Mariner of the Seas. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, happy cruising.